So my advice to you is to make sure you do this in the dark too.
You got a gift, my friend. You got a gift.
Hello, my name is Nick. This is my little show I like to call Sunday Driver Rides. Thank you for joining me. It is appreciated. I gotta take a break from working on the Charger. I got a problem. I'll show you what I got going. This right here is my 2005 Chevy Tahoe, AKA Betty. I love Betty. But lately when I drive in the dark, it's like I can't see. See my headlights there, which they're not the greatest. But to give you some perspective, my wife's car, yeah, that's the way it should be. Not like that. Look at that. How sad is that? That is, it's bad. I can't see anything like I should. And I think I know why. Now, my wife's car is only about 5 years old, maybe 6. My Tahoe is over 20 now. I don't know, I know it's dark outside, but man, those headlights are faded. So, I got new ones. Let's put them in. I went on Amazon and bought the cheapest headlights I could find for this thing. The old Eagle Eyes. Look at that. Look at how crystal clear they look. Here you go. There's the new with obviously the old. Look at the difference. These things just over time, they just take a whooping. Now, about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, I think less than 2 years, I did one of those polish headlight kits. And it made a difference, but it didn't last that long, did it? All right, enough talk. Let's swap these out. It's cold. Now, the beautiful thing about these Chevys, these headlights, are these pins. Turn that out, pull it out. Turn that out, pull it out. And out it comes. And out it comes. And out it comes. See, I told you, it's simple, right? That is nice, though. Oh, I've worked on other headlights where it sucks. So, I'm just gonna easily take these out and not break them. Come on now. Okay, there's one. Come on now. Ow! You're hurting me. Stop that. Come on. Oh, there's the other one. All right, there, that one's out. And I bought the ones with light bulbs already in them. Fancy, right? So all you just have to do is plug them in. I don't know what the deal is with this. Is this for adjusting a headlight? What is this? That's not on there. Do I need it? Do I want it? I don't know what the tariff is. Maybe you can stay in there. Let's see. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on, no. Come on. Come on. Go in. You're supposed to be easy. This is awesome. Go in. What is the deal with this? Okay, that comes off. Come on now. Get in there. Yeah, this has already been broke. Ouch, dang it, I got my finger. What's the problem here? It's making me look like a fool on the interweb. All right, there, I just had to swear at it a little less, and yeah, okay. All right, let's put our pins in. Come on now. All right, so it's obvious I bought the cheapest ones on Amazon. What in the world? It doesn't look right, does it? Wait a minute, that's getting somewhere. Oh, maybe not. Dang nabbit. You know, my advice to you is to make sure you do this in the dark too. It really makes sense. Come on. This thing looks weird. It doesn't look right. Maybe it just needs to be adjusted after we get it in. This isn't as fun as I thought it would be. I gotta get a hammer. We're taking it back out. This is ridiculous. What's your deal? Maybe if I yell at you? I mean, I don't know. Okay. I need to take a break. Okay. That don't look right. But I'm hoping I just need to adjust it. But yeah, there I got that one in. Now I can go back to this one and yell at this one. Come on now. Hey, look at that. It didn't look right. It looks goofy. It's about as all goofy as it can get, but I'm sure I gotta adjust it. Yeah, that one's aimed up a little too high, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. That don't look right. I got a big gap at the bottom right there. I don't like that. I don't know. Let me play with it some more. Here, now that I got this one out, look at the difference. No wonder I couldn't see. Bad news, man. Okay, for actually lining these things up with these holes, put the light down low like that, and then look down. If you can find the hole, then you just line it up. Which is easier said than done, especially when you're holding the camera. Look at that. I hope they need to be adjusted down, because that thing don't fit with a dang. Look at that. That one looks goofy too. Oh my gosh. Maybe don't go with the cheapest from Amazon. Oh man. Oh, I hope I can adjust that. It looks bad. All right, so the passenger side light here is pretty much pointing at the moon. I think it's this one. I've got just a 1/4 inch drive, not driver. Let's see, which way do I turn it? I think I go counterclockwise to get it to drop. Is it going down? I think so. Just going slow. Yeah, it's just going really slow. So yeah, you just gotta crank it a ton and she'll eventually drop. Or no, wait a minute. I think I'm going out with it. I think that's pushing it out. Yeah, let's put it back. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, I had to push in on the light while I tighten that up. Let's try this other one. Way down here. Do I reach down in there? Probably not. Come on, get in there. Okay, let's see what happens. This one's hard to turn. Ugh. It's going down. This one's hard to turn. I gotta get something else. All right, I'm done horsing around. Let's get this done, huh? Is it on it? Let's see what it does. Look at that. Ah, that's the way to do it. So there I went. I was going clockwise to get it to go down. Hey, that looks pretty dang good. How's it look on the front? Hey, the gap's not as bad. Hey, that's a win, right? I'll adjust the other side and let's see how it looks. There, I adjusted both lights now. That one looks a little better. So, oh, it's a lot brighter. All right, compared to my wife's car now, you can tell that's way brighter. I mean, my wife's car, I'm not going to beat that. But that's way better than it was before, I can tell you that. All right, it's the next day. Don't they look pretty? You know, that being all shiny and that not being shiny. But, yeah, it's better than what I had. That's all I can ask for, right? So, anyway, I think that's going to be it for this episode. Thanks for watching. It is appreciated. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be fine and dandy. Thanks again for watching. Take care.